Hi, I'm Marcus Farry. Nice to meet you. So today we're going to learn about mindfulness walking and how it can really help you connect back to yourself after the mind has been racing around all day. Today you join me in the beautiful Tandle Hill Country Park in Royton, and basically it's a beautiful part of the area. It's absolutely gorgeous, surrounded by trees, a beautiful woodland, really got that nature feel to it. So with mindfulness walking, the best part to start, if you've never done it before, is just finding, for example, a nice path 20 or 30 meters long, where you can just solely focus on your feet moving and connecting to the ground. So all we're doing is connecting to the sounds, listening to the sounds, connecting to the body as we walk with our left foot and our right foot, gently feeling the movement, the motion, the toes, the heels, the arches on the feet, the knees as they move, the tendons, and we're really just connecting there now. So gently moving, connecting, feeling the shoes, just noticing again any sounds, feeling how the body moves, connecting, and using our breath now just to really go inwards and solely focus on the feet moving from left to right. And what you'll find is a nice beautiful sensation of peacefulness, being in the present moment and really enjoying the benefits of this gentle mindfulness exercise that you can do anywhere, in your garden, around the house, if you can't obviously leave because it's locked down, because you're solely choosing just to have a moment for yourself. And I think that's what meditation is for me. Sometimes have it, and it should be for you, where you have that moment just for yourself, so you can just connect back in, check in how you feel in the inside, whether it's your mindfulness walking, again hearing the sound of your feet on the different surface. It really has a very enjoyable factor to it, a really enjoyable motion and a really enjoyable flow. Yeah. Well, thank you for joining me today. When you've got a minute, whether you're walking up the stairs, down the stairs, in the house, you can try and practice mindful walking and see how it feels for you. Leave a comment, let us know how you feel, let us know how you're getting on, and we will see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.